Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Finally, we are going to start building our professional new Shopify store with new free Shopify theme, and this is Horizon. Recently Shopify published 10 new themes that is absolutely premium quality, and I have already started making video for each theme to review it, check the customization feature, also customize and make professional website following their demo, or make website same as their demo. And I have to-do list to make video how to make different type of store using this all top new popular free theme. And today we are going to start using Horizon, because Horizon making a hype on the Shopify free theme and in the Shopify theme directories, and that's why I started to make video with Horizon as fast as possible for all of my Shopify lover. So let's get started. So you see, right now we are on the Shopify theme directories, and this is the Horizon theme. And at first looks, it's really looks very professional and eye-catching. Of course, we are going to view demo, and then we are going to start make a website same as demo, and after that we start customize, and of course finally we'll go to the development part. If you think that we should add any additional feature, or they are missing any additional feature of this theme, then we'll add this on the theme development part of Horizon. So I hope you will enjoy this full video guideline or full course and stay connected in my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to get all the video update when uploaded in my YouTube channel. So let's dive into the main topics. So first of all, we are going to view demo store, and then we start our next step to install this demo to make a professional store like demo. So here is the preview. Wow, looks very neat and clean and eye-catching. And first we can see that they have added banner with transparent header, and if I move my mouse or put my mouse on header section, we see the header. Okay, and then they have added the product section. Wow, you see, when we hover the product, we can see that each product have individual slide option. Looks very professional and unique design. Also another premium feature. Let me open light shot. Okay, this is color chooser. In previous, there was no any color choices by default in any Shopify free theme. For example, the most popular Shopify free theme is Dawn theme, also Tad theme. We don't get any feature like this one. So this is the premium feature. Also this one. Then we can see that they have added nice minimal add to cart button. So I'm going to click on it. Wow, you see, when I click on it, we don't have to redirect to the cart page. So when we click on add to cart button, we see a professional pop-up open in here. And you have to agree with me that you never seen such option in any Shopify free theme in previous. So what we see in here, the color chooser. Wow, the size selector looks very professional, and the buy with shop and add to cart button. Okay, and I'm going to click on it, add to cart. Okay, the product added on the cart page. So if I scroll down, we'll talk about the cart page later. You see, they just added product, banner and footer. Of course there have a lot of option, I believe, because we have to install the theme, then we can check out the all the section and all the featured. But right now we are going to check shop page. This is the shop page. They have added clean and neat featured. Okay, looks good. And here they have added another layout chooser. We can select layout chooser and see all the product in a quick time, or make a large product section or image. Okay, then we are going to the product page. Looks neat and clean, very professional product page, also you may like. Then we are going to the cart page. When I click on the cart icon, it's directly open slight pop-up box in the right side, so it's make your user to confirm the order as quick as possible. They don't have to visit multiple pages to confirm the order. So this is very helpful for your business. And now we are going to check out the responsiveness. Yes, it's fully responsive. Why we should check it? Because maximum online shopper use mobile to order on online, and maximum Shopify users get order from mobile. That's why we have to check it. So now we're going to the theme page or theme details page, and scroll down. The main featured bold products showcase, launch ready minimalist. So now we are going to the theme page and scroll down. Check out the picture. This theme is great for quick setup. So if you want to set up quickly or upgrade your store in a quick time, then this theme is very perfect for you. Visual storytelling, designed to showcase your image to support visual brand storytelling. Then cart and checkout, added cart note, signing with shop, in-store pickup, slide out cart, pre-order, quick buy. Slide out cart and pre-order is very important feature or very common feature for premium theme, but it does not available in any free theme. In previous before publish this theme. Then marketing and conversion. In the marketing and conversion, backend stock alert, product based recommended product, blog, FAQ, promo banner, stock counter, cross selling, in menu promo, quick view. So quick view and promo banner and stock counter is very important. Also customizable contract from. Then merchandise, animation, image rule over, product option, slideshow, color chooser, image zoom. Color chooser is unique feature of any premium theme, but you are going to get this feature in this free theme. Video product or product video. Then high resolution images, ingredient, image gallery, lookbook, size guide. So I hope you understand everything about this theme. Also check out the preview. Now it's time to install this theme and start making a website like this one, same as this one. Then we are going to make our store using this theme, but different niche or different product. So first we have to set up it same as demo. So to do this, I'm going to my Shopify partner account and click on login. Then go to the Pfizer IT Institute. For now, Pfizer IT Institute is a online learning platform from where you can learn about Shopify, WordPress, SEO, also digital marketing. So if you have a time or interested to learn new skill for free, then search Pfizer IT Institute. Then you will find Pfizer IT Institute, where you will get a lot of free course. Also you will get premium course, but premium course is very limited. Only I make free premium course that is trending and help you to get benefit or make profit as quick as possible. Otherwise, you can check out all the course in here and take any course based on your interest and flexibility. Okay, so when you visit this website Faiza IT Institute, don't forget to check out the YouTube channel also. Okay, we have logged in our Shopify partner account, and now we are going to create a new store. So click on the new store, then add store, create development store, and this store name will write Horizon because we want to keep it same as Horizon theme. Customization, yes. Okay, we keep our store name Horizon theme customize. Let me check. Customize spelling, yes, we have to check, of course. Then you are going to set up online and select no, then click on the create development store. We have to wait a little bit time. When we develop or create our store, you see that our store has been created, and here is the welcome message. Horizon theme customize, add your first product, start with a sample. So design your store. So we are going to click on the start with a sample product. I draw this because I get the direction in the welcome message. That's why, because this is the first time we are working with Horizon theme. Okay, skip or go to the home section, click on the view store or I button. Okay, you see this is the current looks. I think by default they installed and activate the Dawn theme, but we have to start working with Horizon theme. That's why I'm going to click on the online store. You see, I'm right. By default, Shopify installed Dawn theme, and right now we are going to install popular free theme Horizon and click add. Horizon installing. We have to wait a little bit time. Wow, just add it and click on the publish. Okay, now Horizon is our current theme, and reload our website. Okay, you see Horizon theme installed, but it does not look same as demo that we wanted to do. And right now we are going to start make same as demo from top to bottom and step by step. So I want to end this class in here and start new class like class 2 and want to make it class 1, and that's why I'm going to end this class in here, and in the next class we are going to set up from top to bottom, start our next work from the second class. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.